Ebusianfo, I Ghana TV GhIPSS. Make sure like, comment, subscribe, and turn on notifications. Ebusianfo say, Ghana hano. So obi ya wadia enkasa. Obi bia obaya wadie aya di boni bia no. Ebusianfo enkasa o. Ja sa nipa no ma na Akufo-Addo nyame. Akufo-Addo nyakumpo no. Hey ebusianfo Usro ya bia o ya siwe a sro Akufo-Addo nyakupon o. E dan sema ebusianfo ebra Akufo-Addo ewo power no. Ade bakwa NDC for omudi esempaye family and friends. Everything ubeka bia say family and friends aden ya. Akufo-Addo appointing in your Kenoforiata as finance minister. No problem. And now if he say oh Joma mabadie Jama obe appointing strangers unkwana ni busanfo ni de. This a private sector esan say no family and friends. And yes sir, busanfo. Na ebusanfo ni ekoso. And I mean we ka say no. Joyce Bawa. Joyce Bawa no. So ndi Jama, also a presidential staffer. Yes sir. Ninya ni sister. Same surname. When your appointment. Ani. Na appointment a wonya ye no ebusianfo. Ye nkofo we mother die. Me see appointment a jo mama tam di ma. Joyce Bawa nua a ata no. Yay! Ebusianfo CEO of GhIPSS. Na ebusianfo minim say bia mu bebre mu nim GhIPSS no. GhIPSS no na ye Ghana Interbank Payment and Settlement Systems. Ghana Interbank Payment and Settlement System. In short, no, some mobile money interoperability. I can say, oh, ultimately send this car from MTN Echo Vodafone Echo Tigo, network Momo Echo bank account no Echo if I say Momo and all over no. And I say across banks, say be ADB. Ultimately send this car from ADB. Echo the others no. A bank company be na in charge. Na sky wo ho no. Sky wo ho no. Enya easy. Sky CEO no. Eji no. Enya aggressive. Na John Mahama. O hwe mu nyina no. Oho. Na odi Joyce Bawa ninia. Na Joyce Bawa de mu nim say oye John Mahama nis. They say Joyce Bawa de obefre Mahama. Uncle, and yes sir. Enti another niece of John Mahama. Another niece of John Mahama. Now our point is to say, I mean we can say. They say there two nieces of John Mahama. Now Ebano, if I say baby mamas and the others here are accountable. Bani Busianfo from the likes of the secretary that was appointed, Callistus. And the others, and easy. Now, best no. Now, when yesterday was sending in name because I want him say, as is some boring or moody in a bra GhIPSS no, announce on Facebook. But I mean, the picture about two of them. A bra more announcing no, Maminu Sheda, ni Bawa Dino, man John of Fu, Omuya no B. Just say, Omu Felice, Omu Jimmy. But they have forgotten that. Maminu Krano, Uhune Nima. One share you think say Joyce Bawa no. They look alike. Everything. Nim, hairstyle and everything. And to where they unya hunupe, and you be an American say where they Joyce Bawa near. And the government, family and friend governments, no, a cost unabated. Under this clueless, senseless, incompetent John Dramani Mahama government. Ekoso na Akufo-Addo nyakupon me see ebusanfo obi ya wade a ja sa ne pa no Akufo-Addo nyakupon. Ebusanfo be da ma say. I'll see you in the next one. Another video continues.
Yeah, we call different platforms. I believe say after we need to come once elections. Now, I am glad that Sophia Kufu has finally come out. We were all wondering why she was keeping quiet because we're no free one and Mami in Sobaye. And now, one say, BBC easy. This is an office you have occupied before. These are benefits you have benefited from before, and we were quite surprised that she had chosen or opted not to speak about this issue. So, I mean, to be fair to her, she had come out initially to say in some now more they are not strong enough if you look at some of the previous posts, it says Sophia Kufu allegations against Tokono not strong for removal. Former Chief Justice Sophia Kufu has said that the allegations led to the removal of Chief Justice Araba Eseba Saki Tokono were not strong enough to justify her dismissal by President John Dramani Mahama. And again, this tells you, say, the justices who are currently at the Supreme Court have failed the country. They have decided to turn a blind eye to a member of theirs just because she's the head and they are also seeking to take up those positions. When we say be papa na wo ba no de enche no no so wo retirement no mu na wo saso eba na wo hwe nipa na panel na wo mu de o mu sisu na sabi obi to say law lecturer. I don't understand what a law lecturer is doing while they are justices of the Supreme Court. Wo mu na betimi atena se normal deliberative issues no. I think there was only one Supreme Court justice and also, and it could easily be said that person is partisan. We do not know why the Auditor General was on there. And then one funny thing is that the lawyer for Madam Getty Tokono SA, when we call them who are Womoko Kansem no, when the first thing they noticed was that there was a preempted stand for somebody like Domeluvo or Kasabia. You could clearly see say Wafano Madden and Oba Maso Bitiasemsi. He was only there to fault the woman, and then from beginning he just kept on saying the woman has caused financial loss to.
Good afternoon, good evening. Now me too want to say all reporting me my life as I'm going to work on the I'll record it and still post it. As I was saying, the 2nd of September 2025, Akwatia by elections. Now, by elections because the current sitting MP, we're free and we are having a replacement. MP before tonight say one gentleman I friend Asumadu. Solomon Asumadu said on replacing Yenuya Ernest. And from what I hear, no, Solomon is an Akwatia young man. He's a Zongo boy. He lives in Akwatia. He's a minor. And why a lot of MPP for Juma over the years, you know, he supported NS2 and over the years, you know, what should I say, or the ability to lead the people of Akwatia into the upcoming elections. Now, I'll call against NDC, the candidate now on the NS to call again, and there's Kumi call elections in December 2024. Candidate now not so until who I say now NS Kumi SCC no, and until the NS Kumi call court. Emma NS stressy. When the court granted him say NS deserves to be MP and he should sit on his seat, you know, 27 days later, and NS to fair move. Sa candidate no ne lawyer ni na ono gyina mu a omo ne NS to court no ne lawyer ni na timi ahwa awrade anim NS free mu atimi aba be gyina against candidate no atuatua sika ama NDC fu akoyi sa lawyer ni no so omra na me busa asem bi se lawyer wo obi aba wo ho abeka na asem a kyerɛw sa me call elections ni susu se yesisi me eti ko kama sem mami na wetimi afa client your friend lawyer client relationship ni information or the amount now they are kwagina na chi etimi akwatia ni na the same election a say nipa no modun say the constituency nation and say say nipa no enti ye ka say NDC for they are bringing a different candidate from the person who stood in 2024 ni ogina 2024 no no ane lawyer ni abetu no lawyer ni okura sa suban we lawyer ni otimi stabbing a client in the back mo the constituency shanen sa Akwatia for mo yire no na obegigi mo obeji obi ayire because imagine say with the case akoma lawyer yi for a divorce case sa lawyer yi with his current suban we yi sa nipa we wakọ ne ho say me jai me yire we ni beba ho so no anye mo yire no sa nipa we na ni asumadu ejina. This is the person the NDC is supporting. Such a person who is morally bankrupt. Now, when you're morally bankrupt, I want to mean can't me say, Obi awaba ho client. And now would not some man or court. What near a sinechi, a yinefrio. A churchna, Obi Akwatia no Tiemi Amesro. Yanko Yobia, Yasmane ye. Yanko Yobia, on quon see a cheat. And ye bonnet. Sandy Palme Solomon Asumedu. Ojinama MPP or that number 1. Asem na a talk should be on me pese yebo hon komo.